Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you can activate Windows 11, guys. So today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the process of how you actually go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So what you're going to want to go ahead and do, guys, you're going to want to head over to the search bar on Cortana, and you're going to want to go ahead and search this up. Search up these settings, guys. Now from here, go ahead and click settings, guys, and you're going to want to go ahead and head all the way down on the system section, guys. Head all the way down and head to about. And from about, guys, you guys should see all of your specifications and stuff. And basically what you're going to want to go ahead and do is you're going to want to head all the way down to related settings, guys. And here you can enter a product key and activate your edition of Windows. So let's go ahead and click it. And then right here, your activation state should be stated right here. Now, if you're not activated, there should be an option right below this that will say activate your Windows 11, guys. So just go ahead and put in your product key, and then once you go ahead and activate it, Windows 11 should now be activated on your Windows, guys. So it's very easy to actually go ahead and do, guys, and you can go ahead and actually change the product key. Let's say you want to downgrade, you can go ahead and downgrade by changing the product key right here, guys. So that's how you go ahead and activate Windows 11, guys. It really is simple and easy, and if you guys haven't already, leave a like on the video, guys. Subscribe to the channel. If you guys have any feedback, make sure to leave it down in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to look at it. But with that being said, let's go ahead and I'll see you guys for the next video.